Good evening. I am Mr. Bravo reporting for the Global Affairs Tonight, bringing you the most urgent and explosive developments shaking the global order. Tonight, the world economy is on fire. Washington just threw gasoline on a powder keg, and the fuse is burning fast. Let's get right into it. Trump double strike. Today, President Donald Trump blindsided the globe again. In a massive dropping reversal, he slapped a massive 125% tariff on Chinese imports, bearing hours after unveiling a worldwide tariff pause. Yes, that's right. A pause for the world, but maximum economic warfare for Beijing. And it does not end there. Trump's so-called grace period for other nations. It's no peace offering. It's a 90-day countdown to economic hellfire. Under this new reciprocal tariff regime, a flat 10% tax now loom over every foreign exporter daring to compete in the American markets. Markets are whiplashed, chaos erupted, and Trump is doubling down, telling the world, move your factories to USA or pay the price. Global blowback begin. Retaliation was swift and brutal. China come out swinging 84% tariff on US goods. Top 6 American AI firms blacklisted, and now China is pulling the plug on crucial exports of rare earth elements, the very material powering your smartphones, semiconductors, and defense systems. In Europe, fire is boiling over. The EU will hammer US corn with 25% tariff starting April 15, and soybean aren't far behind. This isn't diplomacy anymore. It's an economic knife fight. Even Canada, America's loyal neighbor, is done playing nice. Retaliatory tariffs kicked in today. From Tokyo to Tunis, governments are mobilizing. The world isn't just reacting, it's preparing for a world economic war. Markets in meltdown. The financial carnage unprecedented. The S&P 500 is plunging into bear market territory. Treasury bond, one of the safest assets on earth, are being dumped. The dollar is bleeding value, and oil prices have crashed to the levels not seen since as low as year 2020. This isn't market correction, it's a global financial earthquake. And China already staggering from COVID aftershocks, real estate implosions, and joblessness. Now it is caught in a full-blown crossfire. Analysts warn the Chinese economy is exposed and cornered, but the Beijing isn't flinching. It's called the chaos, a strategic inflection point, a moment to burn bridge, rebuild an economy independent of American influence. Trump's threat diplomacy. Trump message to the world crystal clear: comply or collapse. In a fiery online post, urged global CEOs to move their companies to the US immediately, promising zero tariff, no red tapes, and full protection. He held up Apple as a shining example and warned, do it now or get left behind. And just when you thought it couldn't escalate further, Trump hinted a new tariff and imported pharmaceuticals, a direct hit on global health care supply chains. Beijing counter-strike playback. Behind closed doors, China is shifting gears. Forget tit for tat. Beijing is galloping for long-term economic sabotage, from boosting homegrown AI and tech giants to locking in trade deals across Africa, Latin America, Eurasia. China is betting big on future without the West. But the cracks are real. Customers' confidence is shrinking. The private sector is under pressure, and Xi Jinping's regime is reluctant to pour in the kind of stimulus that could stabilize the storm. That isn't just a trade war anymore. It's a war of survival for the global economic order. The world order on the brink. Tonight, the global trade system is hanging by a thread. From Geneva, the WTO warns for total destabilization. Tariff walls are rising. Supply chains are snapping. Markets are in free fall. And the global alliances, they are fracturing in real time. What started as a clash over trade balance has mutated into a geopolitical death match. And make no mistake, the next shock fire wouldn't just be economic. Welcome to the new age of weaponized trade, where diplomacy is dead and the leverages is king. That's wrap up tonight. High voltage update on a world slipping towards economic warfare. Tariffs are the bullets, supply chains are the trenches, and the battlefields everywhere. What's your take on the unrevealing global order? Is this the rise of a new empire or the fall of many? Let's hear your thoughts in the comments. Like, subscribe, and stay locked in with the Global Affairs Tonight, where the headlines hits harder and the truth cuts deeper. Until next time, stay tuned, stay informed, stay engaged, and yes, stay awake. Goodbye. I was Mr. Bravo, and you were watching Global Affairs Tonight. Until next time, see you soon.